Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a Gershion Polygel Kit review. These are going to be Hershey Kisses nails, you guys, so stay tuned. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So here's the Gershion Polygel Kit, and you will get instructions on how to use the dual forms that are in the kit. And this is just showing you other ways to use those. And you will get paper forms. You're going to get the butterfly, the hollow butterflies, these beautiful little rhinestones in all different colors, your brush, your spatula, your slip solution, of course your base and top coat, and then 6 polygels, 5 shimmer polygels, and 1 clear, and they are 15 mLs. Okay, you also get 2 dual forms, 2 different dual forms, which I thought was very nice, that they have included 2 different styles. So here's the first one. I show you the side view. And then the second one here. These are my favorite. These are the ones that I really like. They always come in really big sizes, so they definitely would fit any thumb size. And then, of course, your hand file. Alright, so here we go in with the swatching. So it comes with that light pink. It comes with a very opaque pink, a blue, another darker pink, a purple, and then a clear. We are going to be using the blue and the clear in this video. Alright, so I'm just getting out my slip, and I'm using my ENAIL COUTURE XXL Coffin. You're going to prime the inside of these tips or etch them, whichever you prefer. I think the primer takes less time, so that's what I do. You're going to also prep your nails with your dehydrator and your primer. I am going in with my UNT Peel Off Base Coat just because it's easier. I'm taking my base gel now from Gershion, and I'm putting that from my cuticle to free edge on all of my nails, and then I will do a 30-second cure. Now, when I said the UNT is easier, it's because I'm doing the video. I'm doing the nails for the video, so it's easy for me to just pop them off when I'm finished. Alright, so I'm using these hollow Hershey Kisses I got from Gina, Cafe Nails by Gina. And I do believe she sells those on her website. I'm also using some silver foil, and I do go ahead and cut it up into tiny little pieces. This is going to act as the wrapping that goes around the Hershey Kisses. And then I'm going to go in with the base coat again into the tips. And we're going to start applying the Hershey Kisses and the foil. So on the thumbnail, I do add both the Hershey Kisses and the foil. You're going to make sure those are laying nice and flat, because if they're not, it's going to look funny when you turn it over. So make sure they're laying nice and flat, which these actually laid very nicely. I had no problems. I know there are some bigger glitter, shapes that do not lay flat, but these laid very nice and flat. I had no issues with them. The foil laid nice and flat. You just want to make sure that it's, laid out really nicely. Press it down really good, just like so. And then I will go in and continue to add some more foil. And then, of course, I do flash cure that so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, and then we're going in with my pointer, and with the pointer nail, I only put on the foil, I only use the silver foil for my pointer. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to smash the like button. It really does help me out, you guys, and I do really appreciate it. And also, don't forget, guys, I do have a giveaway going on right now that's going to be ending very shortly. It is in my collaboration with Diamonds on My Nails. She is also having a giveaway. So head on over to her channel and check it out. Let her know I sent you. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Madame Glam Builder Gel, and I was going to do the icicle, like broken glass nail, but I didn't have saran wrap, so I was using like plastic, and it just did not turn out. But if you do have saran wrap, this is a way that you can do it. You take a thicker gel, like as a builder gel or just a thick gel, and you're going to put it down into the nail, and then you're going to squish that saran wrap like you saw me do. You're going to cure it and then pull it off like I'm doing here. Now, it did look cool, but see, that looks really cool. But then when I put the poly gel in, you can't even see it. I don't, so I don't know. Anyway, going in with this nail, again, with just the Hershey Kisses. And this is the my accent nail, my ring finger. Also, guys, I do want to mention down below, I will leave a link for the Gershion Polygel Kit. If I do get a code, I will let you guys know. I'm not exactly sure if they gave me a code or not. Okay, now we're going to start in with the polygel. So I do have to say this polygel was very nice. It works very easily. It smoothed. I was using the slip solution to move it around, and it was moved around really nice. No problems with the polygel. So as you guys saw me do, you want to make sure that the polygel is so really thin. You don't want a whole big gulp of polygel up under that nail. You want to keep the shape that's under that nail. You want to keep that shape. So you don't need a lot of polygel. You just want enough to kind of like color that nail, if that makes sense. Okay. So we're going in with the clear on the pointer finger. Again, I don't put a whole lot. What I do is I'll go from the tip to about the center, and then I'll freeze cure it. Alright, freeze cure, and then I'll go in with the cuticle and put the polygel in there. Make sure it's nice and thin. You don't want too much. Spread it out, pull it up, making sure you still have your nice curve underside that nail. Flip it over at a 45-degree angle from cuticle to free edge, and cure. You're going to do your full cure at the end. Now this was the nail I did the like icicle broken glass, whatever you want to call it, and it just didn't show up. I think it was this blue. It didn't want to show up. Now you see here, I'm not putting a lot of polygel by the cuticle. Very little, and then I'll spread that up into the nail. Flip it over and apply it to my nail. Alright, here we go in with the clear again. Now I will say this clear was not clear, but it's not horribly bad either. It's not super clear. But after I got finished, it did look good, so it wasn't too bad. Alright, once we finish with the last nail here, like I said before, I'm going to go in and do a full 60-second cure. I will then file, shape, and buff off camera. We'll come back, and I'll show you what the next step is. Now I do also top coat the underside of these nails, and I do show that. Alright, I'm going in with my Miss You 4D gel. This one is in hot chocolate. I take a little bit of slip, I roll it around on my finger, and I'm making a Hershey kiss. So the first thing I do is I just pat it down to kind of make a circle, a tiny little circle. And then I take another little piece, and I'm kind of like, I'm trying to make that curve at the top of the Hershey Kiss. And it turns out pretty good. I made 2 of them, and only one of them I really liked. So we only use 1 of them. You guys will see me only make 1. So in a minute here, I'll turn it sideways so you can see it from a side view. You can actually use acrylic to make these as well. There we go. That was the side view. Now I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I'm going to go in my top coat now and top coat the underside of these nails. And then I will shape file, buff, and do all that off camera. Alright, so let's go in with the rhinestones. I'm using the blue ones, and then I use the white, they have like an AB effect to them. They change color. So those are the 2 I'm using right there. I'm going in with my McCart Rhinestone Gel Glue. I love that stuff, you guys. I swear by it. I do have a McCart 15% off code. It is down below if anyone is interested. Alright, so I go ahead and put on my little Hershey Kisses on the accent finger. I take my Madam Glam Builder Gel because it is thick, and finish up the rest of the nails with the rhinestones. Because the using a builder gel, it holds those rhinestones just like the rhinestone gel. And then I do top coat it. That way I don't have to go around and try to top coat around the rhinestones. I used to do this all the time, you guys, and then I just was like, you know, let me just use the rhinestone glue, and then I always had to try to go around everything, and it was just a pain in the butt. So, anyway, with this nail, I go all the way down to the free edge with the rhinestones. And go ahead and top coat everything. I did not top coat the Hershey Kiss. You can actually take a matte top coat or a glossy top coat and top coat that. So again, I'm going in with my Madam Glam Builder Gel just to hold on the stones and my top coat. And then I will place the stones on top of that. Alright, now to the pinky. Madam Glam Builder, top coat, and rhinestones. In that exact order. Alright, Madam Glam Builder again. Then I'll go in with the top coat. And then the stones. And then you're going to do a full cure, and that's it. There's my set of nails. My Hershey Kisses nails. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, please. Let me know, let me know. If you have a chocolate on your phone, in your emoji, give me, you know, comment with an emoji, with a chocolate emoji, or the poop emoji. That will work. That would actually be great, the poop emoji. Don't forget, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I like them. I think these are so cute, and it's perfect for this time of year. You're making cookies, you know, you're having fun, you're decorating. Yeah, so I figure why not? Let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. So here are the two poly gels again that I did use. And that's it. I will link everything down below. Again, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend if you'd like. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless.